friends! Do you want to learn phonics? Come join us for the ABCD song! Don't wait, come on, come along. In our channel you can learn them all. Apple, ball, cat, dog, elephant and fish and goat. Hat and ice cream, juice and kite. Baby lion and monkey bright. Nest and orange, parrot too. Queen and rabbit waiting for you. Sun and tiger, umbrella high. Violin, watermelon, ooh, go my. Silver, yellow, zebra fun. Come and learn with Chetty and Charms. Everyone! Tell all our friends to subscribe and press the bell so they don't miss our fun videos. Subscribe, subscribe.